Hey guys, so one of the things that I found to be one of the most annoying things about the Porsche Cayman S or Cayman 987 for that matter is the cigarette ashtray area and no spot for my cell phone. So this one guy, I will put his IG or business name here. He basically came up with this genius idea and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so in the car, you've got the cigarette ashtray that goes here. And now I've got it wired with a charger and this sick setup. I'll show you in a second what's inside here. There's a wireless MagSafe charger in there. But put the cable down in here. And then you can go ahead and put the ashtray, and it pops all the way down. And then the phone literally connects. And yeah, so now, since obviously I don't smoke, I've got this clean Cayman S polymer setup with the magnet holder for my phone, just lays right down. You can use an older cable to charge direct in, which I've been using for Apple CarPlay since my car's cable does not connect with the lightning port inside here. So you guys might know how to fix that. I don't know how to do that. So I've been using the older one because I want the Apple CarPlay to work on my dash. And yeah, pretty sick. Show you how this thing goes together. All right, so for this setup, you take your wireless MagSafe charger from Apple. You wire it in, it'll inset and inlay right into the mold. The wire will go through here. You'll pull it out through the other side there. And then you go ahead and you'll set this over the top. And make sure that it's where it's supposed to be. And it'll pop into place. There and there, and then we'll put the screws back into place and plug it into the car, and it should work out just well. All right, so now the charger's intact, clean, and put away. All the screws go in super direct and easy, and I just need to buy an adapter because Apple doesn't want to include any relevant technology since nobody has a lightning port adapter to USB, but you know, whatever, we'll figure it out. Again, just another reason I love the Porsche 987 community. People have such cool ideas, and I got that guy posted on the forum like, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. I messaged him and he had something in hand to me within like a few days after he literally just invented it or designed it. So it's pretty cool. And it fits flawlessly. So if that's something you guys want, check them out and order one from them and tell them Shelby Paget sent you. Give them a shout out, give me a shout out. And yeah, so just a little quick update video since that part's cool. And hope you guys are enjoying the channel and the build.